Hello everyone, this is Georgia and this is Lady Amanda. How you doing? I hope everyone is well. Today we're gonna see a few snack size paintings from Diamond Art Club. We're gonna start with this round one. It's called Black and White by Deborah Lewis. And it's a beautiful horse. I really like the rendering on this one, although it's small. It's like 45 by 32. It is really nice. Hand rendering is showing how different it is. Okay, let's open this. Oh. Oops, sorry, I booped you. We have a toolkit, a sticker, etc. This is our painting. (45 by 32), round, black and white by Deborah Lewis. This black stallion in the snowy field. Awesome. The round toolkit has a blue pen with a single placer, a see-through boat with a funnel, loads of baggies, blue squishy, 2 red wax hearts, and the famous 4 placer. I love my 4 placers. A 4 placer and a 6 placer. Let's open our painting. I'm really excited to see this. I hope it looks as good as in on their side. Beautiful velvety feel canvas. This painting has 16 colors and 1 AB. Yes, it looks as good as I hoped for. This is the blue leaflet. If you're new to diamond painting, explains the steps to diamond paint. You have your big sticker. Also, you have these labels that you can put in your containers or your baggies. Start date and end date. Since we know where the AB is, oh, look at this. Oh, that's gorgeous. You have the scalloped edge so it doesn't fray. All the paintings of Diamond Art Club is pour gru. Oh my god, this looks so good. And the ABs are everywhere. Number 1 is, oops, there we go, is the slash here. And you can see it's all over the white places. So it's scattered all over the painting, which is amazing. It's gonna look really good. And look at this horse. Oh my god, look at it. It's so cute. It's a cute pony. The good thing about the small ones is I don't have to do anything and you can see the whole painting from up there. Lovely, lovely. Dugat makes you sparkle. And I like that they put the name of the artist down at the bottom. So even though these are old designs, they have updated how they are printed. Now, let's see our diamonds. This kit doesn't have many colors, so you're gonna finish it, but it doesn't have much color blocking either. So, let's see what we got. Ooh, I just saw the AB, guys. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. We have, and there we go. Oh no, we don't go. Phone, there we go. 3865, 310, 939. This is our bees. Look at them. Oh my god, they are gorgeous. You have loads of them. 415, 318, 3841, 3799, 414, 317, 413, 597, 598, 336, 312, and 3760. And I will let you see this beautiful horse one more. Doesn't it remind you the horse from the Black Stallion? Oh, I loved that movie. I still do, actually. Not love. I still do love that movie. Okay, let me put this away and we'll come back with the other ones. And we're back, and the next snack size we're gonna see is called the coffee cup. It's a 22 by 22, muy bien small size. It's from the artist Ira Gustin. I'm sorry if I butchered the name. I'm really sorry about that. I tried my best. This. Let's see it. It's a round again, so I'm not going to show you the toolkit. It's the same as the previous one. You can see it here. The same stuff as the previous one in there. We have the small sticker. I love coffee. This will look good in the kitchen. Beautiful velvety canvas like before. And this one has one, maybe it's 141. And there we go. For a small size, good rendering again. There you go. It's beautiful. All the browns. It has 18 colors for 22 by 22. Nice. You can see the artist's name and the size down here. You have the legend on both sides, scalloped edges. And number 1 is the dot. So let's see where our dot is going. Look, not dot, it's square. Oh, is it that? It doesn't have another one. No, okay. Let me get you a bit close. The ABs are this side, and it's all around the cup. So you'll see it all around there and there. Okay. This is our big sticker with our colors here. The name of the painting, the artist, start and end date. You also have again your starter, step-by-step instructions, your small sticker, and let's see how it dance. $310, $948, $356, $754, $37.78, $758, $814, $37.77, $38.30, and this is our B, 141. Beautiful. $355, $33.71, $779, $38.60, $30.23, $644, $838, and $38.61. Okay, I'm gonna put this baby back in its place, and I'll come with the last one for today. And the last but not least snack size painting from Diamond Art Club is the Rose Music Set. It's round again, and it's 20 by 27 Oh, I hope it has ABs. Well, if it doesn't, I'm going to put some red ones. Yeah, these little guys are a nice distraction when you don't, when you're working on an 80 by 90, for instance, and you want, oh my god, it doesn't end. I want to do something that ends today or maybe tomorrow, because I can't stand it. I need to finish something. Yeah, so that's their purpose in life. That's why we call them snacks. Maybe we should call them Kit Kats instead, but I don't know if we're gonna be sued about from Kit Kat or something. Have a break from your big ones. Have a diamond Kit Kat. That will be hard to chew. I will not show you the toolkit again. It's the same as the previous one. The small sticker is here. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at this. I'm a sucker for roses. Let's see what we have in here. And if you're still wondering, I still haven't found my scissors. So I'm just pulling the box back. Oh, what I'm going through. Velvety canvas. Oh, wow. And it does have an AB. It's the green one. Your instructions. Your big sticker sheet. It doesn't have the artist. Maybe it's a stock photo, who knows. This is a picture. It has 23 colors with one AB. Start date, end date, and they're ready for you to get them in your containers. Let me roll it backwards a bit. Yeah, have it correctly. Have a bit of a beautiful glue. Okay, RABs are those triangles, and they go there, over there, in there, 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 and there. The drill field is clear as day. Well, it is diamond art glass, what I'm saying. So sometimes printing mistakes happen. I haven't seen any so far, on my part, and I have unboxed quite a few. Okay, let's see our 23 colors. Let me focus my camera. There we go. We have 951 with one hitchhiker, 310, 321, 3371, 666, hey Mrs. Coffee, 890, 904, 814, 498, 905, 948, 608, 606, 3340, and this is our AB, this beautiful green rainbow gorgeousness. Ooh, gorgeous. 3778, 939, 356, 3854, and 3341, and a few extra here. 754, 758, and 839. And this was the 3 Diamond Art Club's snack size, our rose music set, our coffee cup, and our black and white stallion. I hope you did enjoy these unboxings. If you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to the channel. I will leave everything about these paintings in the description below. I don't know if they're sold out or anything, but you'll have to find when you visit them. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer as best as I can. Remember, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.